All right, here it is, 2021 F150. Just put a new level kit up front, new wheels, tires. It's got the Billstein 5100s on there. Nitto Ridge Grapplers, 295/60/20. These are the platinum wheels or black appearance package wheels. Set the Billstein struts to 2.5. Looks like it leveled it pretty nice. Rides really smooth. Actually better than factory. This is a Lariat 501, so no sunroof, no power running boards, but it's got all the other nice features on it. But wanted to show you what it looked like. I was doing a lot of research trying to find the right setup for me. I wanted something that looked clean. This had the sport wheels on it. I basically just did 25% ceramic tint all around. The 20-inch platinum wheels, Nitto Ridge Grapplers, and a level kit. That's what she looks like. Hope this helps anyone with their decision. So far, I'm loving it. Have a good night.